Hey everyone, this is my entry for the 2019 NYX Face Awards. Music is my spirit animal. No, really, it's a line, but it is a huge driving force in all of my creativity and everything that I do. So I heard this song, I fell in love with it, and that basically kicked my inspiration into full drive, and this is what I came up with. I just created what I saw in my mind and kind of made it up as I went along. So far I just cleaned and primed my face, and to make it a lot easier on my madness, I just put tape on my eyes so I could let it, let the brush go wild and crazy. But then I used the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk to prime my eyelids, and I went in with a blue, green, magenta, and a rosy pink, and also gold in the NYX Swear By It palette. I really like the pop of blue, so I went with a teal bluish shade on my waterline. This is where we begin to go downhill in our excessive glitter. I don't know what to call this, but I am using the NYX Glitter Goals Pressed Glitter Palette, and I'm following the same shades that are on my eyes. And then I'm cheek cut creasing my lids with the Glitter Goals Liquid Liner in the shade Queen. For the eyeliner, I don't know how many eyeliners I used, but I am using the NYX Super Fat Eye Marker in Carbon Black, and I'm also going over that with a black liquid liner because every time I use glitter on my eyes, I just haven't gotten it right yet. I might just be using too much glitter, but I double it up. And for mascara, I'm just using the NYX Doll Eye Mascara, and I'm slapping some lashes on. Make your brows as fancy as you want, but I didn't bother because I would be painting it later, so I just kind of did it normal, but make it nice how you like it. When I am finally finished and ready to do the rest of my face, I just wipe my face off with a makeup wipe to get rid of any fallout from the eyeshadow or any mistakes or whatever it is, and then you can do your normal routine. Since I have dark circles and marks on my face, I use a color corrector first and then I apply my foundation. For the contour and concealer, I'm just using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Natural Tan and the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. For the blush, since I use a super pigmented one, I use one brush to apply the blush and a clean blush brush to blend it out. I'm sorry, this is a super tongue twister, but I use a clean one to blend it out to get the perfect shade. And for the highlighter, I am using the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Gleam. Then finally for the lips, I'm using the NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in the shade Electromagnetic. Honestly, you can end the makeup look here and call it a day and look amazing and beautiful and go out, or you can be extra. Okay, so unfortunately I lost a majority of the footage that I filmed for this entire thing. I don't have the prosthetics that I made for the wings for the fallen angel. I don't have a good chunk of my makeup tutorial, so I had to redo it, so it's really late and kind of like crazy, but it still came out the way I wanted it to, which is, I don't really know. That's the beauty of making it up as you go along, so it works out. Anyways, I'm literally just doing whatever, letting the brush go wherever it wants to go, and the lines are being guided by where I'm taking it, and also correction for mistakes. If I do a line too thick, then I'll correct it, and this is art to me, so it never has to be perfect. It never has to be, anything that fits the standard of what's expected, whether it's makeup, whether it's art, whether it's looks, whether it's whatever. This is why I do what I do, because you can do whatever you want to do. So for the paints and the designs and everything, I just kind of picked from my bin of makeup, and I just got whatever. So for that, I'm using gold and black and white and purple and green. And I'm also highlighting the lines with the NYX Glitter Goals liquid liner in the shade Queen, and also the silver one that's the shade Dust. After I got like the base of the makeup and it came to decorating, this is when I really got carried away. So I apologize if this is too much glitter and shiny and embellishments for you, but it's me. So I will put up a tutorial of building the wings and the headpiece and all of that right after I do this. I just didn't have enough time to put this in the tutorial as well and get everything together. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you all next time.
I've been watching you.